How to disable incognito mode in Google Chrome on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how I can disable the incognito mode in Google Chrome on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to actually disable the incognito mode on Google Chrome on iPhone, so normally now when you turn on Google Chrome incognito by tapping on this little three dots option, selecting new incognito tab, right? How do you actually get out of this incognito tab? So when you go to the three dots option, you can see there is no option. So basically it's not the three dots, but you have to actually tap on this one icon that you can see here, and then just the incognito tab that is open, tap on the cross icon next to it, and now you're completely safe. Now you can come back to your normal tab and then simply swipe and do whatever else just like this by tapping and then coming back to your normal feed. And this way you'll be able to disable the incognito mode in Google Chrome on iPhone. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.